If you have forgotten the password to a computer that runs Windows, or you simply want to change your password, we will show you exactly how to do that in this video. Now firstly, you should turn on your Windows device and wait for it to take you to the lock screen. However, if it is already on and in use, press the Ctrl, Alt, and Delete key altogether, select Lock from the menu that appears before you, then click the screen to see the sign-in screen, and make sure to select the account for which you want to change the password. After that, you also have to make sure that you're connected to the internet from the system tray. Now to create a new password, click Sign-in Options, select either the PIN or the password icon, and if you sign with the PIN and you would like to change this PIN, select the icon with the keypad. But if you want to sign in with your Microsoft account password and would like to change the password, select the icon with the text box and cursor. You can also click Forget My Password or Forget My PIN if you would like to change it into a new password. Now in doing so, you will be taken directly to the Microsoft account verification page. Then you have to enter a new password or PIN that you will remember. Now that's how to change your password from the Windows 11 lock screen. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.